Assalamu alaikum again. So let's change our script to do some more nice thing, and let's understand some more nice concepts in our Python. Okay, and let's grow up our Python knowledge. So let's use the Sublime text for this one, and let's see and let's review our program. So in our program we have 5 different methods or functions, if you would like to call them that. So we have in here the main program, and the main program is the one that's been executing all these functions, while it does contain all of those functions. But I want to create more modules and more scripts from which or to which I want to copy and paste these functions and then call them from the main function as modules or as libraries. Okay, so let me create another new files in here. So let's make this smaller. Okay, so let's create a module that will have the greeting.py function, another one for the get information. So this one should be called getinfo.py. They should all be .py with .pys. They should have the .py extension because they are Python files or Python scripts or Python programs, however you want to call them. And next up, I'm gonna need another one to save my data. So save data.py, another one to print this. So print card is what this one should be called. Okay, and let's move that save data to save data.py, just for more naming conventions. And the main function should stay in the main one. So let's make this bigger again. So let me move the greetings function to the greeting. Okay, and I need to import this in here just like this. So from the greeting script or the greeting module that we have in the same directory, we need to import the greetings that we have copied. Okay, we just need the name of the function and the name of the module to do this operation. So from greeting, the module, import greetings, the function. And in order for us to use this function, we just need to execute it just like so. So we don't actually need to modify the main function in this one. The next thing to do is to copy this or to remove this from here, the get information, and take it to get info, the module, copy the name of the function, and so from get info, this is the name of the module, we are going to import the get information, the function that we used here to unpack these variables into those variables. Okay, so we did get done with the get info and the greeting.py. Now we need to move the save data function to save data. Okay, so again copy the name of the function, save this, and import it from the save data module. Okay, so save data is the name of the module like you see here, .py, and the name of the function is save data, and it's the exact same one we used in here. After this, we need to remove the print card from here, take it to the print card. Okay, the same operation. So let's from print card import, what's the name of the function, copy this, print it in here, and there we go. Our program is gonna be working just, or it's gonna give us just the same job that it did before. So let's test it out. Ahmed in this one, let's say L is show, the email address will be show@gmail.com. enter your home address, Morocco, Ghana, okay, Morocco, and there we go. Okay, let's see, let me just get the profiles.txt to see, and it is the same thing that we have in here. Let me remove this, or just leave it like that. Next thing, what I want to do next is to replace this save data function to actually saving it from this .txt file to a database. So I do not need to use this .txt anymore. I need to use it with a MySQL database, and for us to do that, we need to learn how to deal with MySQL, and that's exactly what I'm gonna teach you in the next video, inshallah.